Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, select Password and Biometrics, choose Set Lock Screen Password over here, wait 5 seconds and click Continue in the pop-up. After that, click on Use a different password type and pick one of those login methods by clicking on the chosen one. Then you need to enter it and repeat it. When you're ready, you can also click on Add Fingerprint in this pop-up and add it right away. But I don't want to, so I will go with Cancel, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!